Las Vegas office for us is our opportunity to do our AV technology in-house. And we really want to be able to bring people in and show them some of the latest products and technology that Extron has to offer. And specifically in Las Vegas, we've got our offices in North America, but this really gives us an opportunity to be in an area in the market that has a lot of opportunity. So right now we're in kind of a pop-up type of scenario where we've got our working stations, the opportunity to bring customers in and teach them about Extron products, technologies, how to get them even certified on things like control systems, EVM or IP deployment, and that type of thing. So it's really good to great opportunity to connect with this local market. Just last week we introduced a couple of new products, our third generation GTP3 Crosspoint product, as well as our Charlotte 2000. So those are probably some of the highlights that we have here. And then also not to be missed is our Nav Pro AV over IP system. And that's our system that we have for streaming video, audio, and USB over networks. Being able to scale and scale up, scale down size-wise for the deployments. Gives you a lot of flexibility in the deployment, and then using that corporate network as that backbone that we're streaming with.